Welcome back in this video. This is the 30-day video challenge series and you are watching 29th video of this challenge. And in this video we are going to talk about skills. What are the skills? Why skills are so very important and why we need to master skills. We are going to understand all about skills. So first thing first, make sure you subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos notification. Alright, so what is skills? To understand what is skills, you need to understand if you want to live a great life, if you want to live a freedom life, if you want to live a financial freedom life, then you need to master skills. Now let me explain what is skills. Skills is something which you can learn, which you can apply, which you can master, and which you can teach someone else or other person. That is called skill. Now, why skills are so very powerful? If I ask you this thing, if skills is powerful or money is powerful, if you ask me like what is powerful according to me, skills or money, I will choose skills, because skills generate money but money can't generate skills. Understand this, skills are so very powerful. Once you learn any skill, nobody can take that skills from you, not even you forget that skills by yourself. Skills are so very powerful. For example, right now I'm recording this video. This is the skill. I'm speaking in front of camera in English. This is the skill. My body language is perfect according to my words, and whatever I'm explaining, according to my words, my gestures are moving, my hands are working. That is also skill. And this skill is come into the communication skill, right? So skills, you know, for example, when people says communication skills, so in communication skill there are so many sub skills, like telephonic communication skills, like one-to-one communication skills, like one-to-many communication skills. These are the skills. You need to know what skills you have, what you can learn, what you can develop more, what you can master more, and what you can teach other people. You know, once you teach other, they will pay you money, because you know you invest so many hours to learn that skills. You face already those problems what that person are facing, and you can teach that problem, you can solve that problem. Obviously anybody can give you the money, because you are helping them, you are giving your time, you are giving your values. Once you master high paying income skill, you can generate more revenue for yourself. And I'm telling you, in your entire life you never ever afraid about money. And this is the only way to live a financial freedom lifestyle. If you need a financial freedom lifestyle, you need to master skills. Skills are so very powerful. So invest your time wisely on learning skills. Alright, so let me give you some high paying income skills. Listen my word, high paying income skills. I'm talking about skills which give you the revenue, which high revenue will give you the high revenue. Whatever skills you have, you can sell that skill in the market, and people give you the revenue, people give you the money, because you are putting your time, efforts, you are solving problems, you are adding values, and because of that you are earning money. For example, you know how to speak English effectively, you know how to speak English perfect, you know how to communicate, you know how to teach other. You can help other people that if you want to learn English, I have the service, I can teach you in this way, because there was a time I am like you and I want you to help to master the skills. And you give your time, your value, your energy, and that person give you the revenue for that skill, because you give the time. So skills are so very powerful. Skills is like it's like a huge, man. If you know, I remember one incident. I asked one of my friend, like hey bro, can you tell me what skills you have? Let me know what skills you have. And he said like, how I told, how I said what skills I have. I have so many skills. And I think like, what the fuck? He don't know what skills he have, and he's talking about I have so many skills. My dear friend, you need to understand what skills you have. You need to develop that skills. You need to master that skills more, and then you will generate revenue for yourself. So make sure you focus on skills. So I will not make this video too long. So thank you so much for watching this video.